In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Google Drive subscription. First, a quick note so everything makes sense. Google Drive storage plans are managed through the Google One app. So even though we're canceling a Drive subscription, the actions happen inside Google One on your phone. Make sure you're using the device where you normally manage your Google account, and double check you're in the correct account that holds the subscription. Go ahead and open the Google One app on your mobile device. When it launches, give it a second to load your current plan details. If the app looks unfamiliar or you don't see your storage information, it may be the wrong account or an outdated app version, so just make sure you're in the right place before continuing. Next, open the main menu by tapping the hamburger icon. This is the button with 3 horizontal lines, usually at the top corner of the screen. That menu gives you access to all your account and plan options, which is where the cancellation setting lives. Inside the menu, tap Settings. The Settings area is where Google One keeps controls for your membership and storage. It's the safest place to make changes because you can clearly see what will happen to your plan. Now, choose Cancel Membership. This is the option that stops your Google One storage plan from renewing. Selecting this does not delete your files or your Google account. It only turns off the paid plan going forward. You'll typically retain the benefits you've already paid for until the end of your current billing period. To complete it, tap Cancel Membership again to confirm. You may see a quick prompt asking for a reason or reminding you what changes when the plan ends. Read that message, then confirm. Once confirmed, your plan is set to stop renewing, and you'll receive a confirmation on screen and usually by email as well. After cancellation, here's what to expect. You keep your current storage and features until the end of the billing cycle. When that date passes, your account reverts to the free storage limit. If your files, Gmail, and photos together exceed the free quota, syncing and new uploads may pause until you free up space or choose a different plan. Your existing files remain accessible so you can download, organize, or delete items as needed. That's it. You opened Google One, used the menu to reach Settings, chose Cancel Membership, and confirmed. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the app at any time to pick a new plan that fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cancel smoothly and confidently.